Turn your stove on so the water can boil. Hi guys, welcome back to Playing with Fun, and today we're gonna make some apple crumble. It's very special because it's made out of Lego. You need 4 apples. Cut your apples into thin slices. Add water to the pot and then add apple slices. Turn your stove on so the water can boil. Add sugar and cinnamon. In a separate mixing bowl, add butter, oats and sugar. Add the ingredients into the bowl. Preheat the oven into 180 Celsius. When the apples are ready, put them in a dish. Add the crumble to the apples. Place it in the oven for 30 minutes.